My Whirlpool Cabrio dryer won't start. The lights come on, I press start. Then I hear a click, the sensing light comes on. Then nothing. Any thoughts?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. It sounds like you have a bad thermal fuse. It's not easy to access these dryers to get to the thermal fuse because there is a lot of disassembly involved. To access, you'll want to first open the door. Use a putty knife and push on the two hidden metal spring clips that hold the top panel to the front panel. These clips are located in the crease between the top and front panel. If both clips are pushed back, the top panel will unclip and hinge up and backwards so that you can access the screws coming from the inside going into the front panel. Remove those screws as well as the two at the bottom of the doorway and the front panel will hinge off. Now just remove the screws going into the front drum support and remove that. The thermal fuse looks like a thin white plastic device, about an inch long. Remove the screw out of this device and replace the fuse.
Any tips on where to find this part?
Sure, if you have a complete model number, you can order this fuse in the link below. Click here.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.